We're now going to work with the Boolean data type, which is something we've covered quite a bit in the past. Here we create a simple Boolean series of the two possible values, true and false. There's only one Boolean. There's not a bool 16, bool 64, because there are only two values, so we don't need any more memory to cover any more possible values. Now, you should know that Booleans do not allow for missing values, but as we'll see in a future video, there's a nullable Boolean data type that is available with pandas if you need missing values in your Boolean columns. All right, so one thing that you may not be aware of is that it is possible to convert series of numbers to Boolean. So we do as type, so this is your normal int 64. And if we do bool like this, so same as that, you'll see that it does convert them. Anything that is non-zero will be converted to true. Only 0 is converted to false. So that's a little bit more on the Boolean data type.